I am 𝗗𝗘𝗦𝗧𝗏 and today we are going to see how we can transfer this view starter kit repository to an organization. Yeah, I'll go to the setting of this repository, view starter kit, and I don't want to rename anything here, and default branch is main. I'll go to the bottom of this and that's called danger zone. This is where I'm looking transfer ownership. Transfer this repository to another user or to an organization where you have the ability to create repositories. Now I'll show you the organization I'm associated with, and this is the 𝗗𝗘𝗧𝗧𝗧 which has 0 repositories now. So I'll be transferring this to 𝗗𝗘𝗧𝗧𝗧. I have the access to this organization, and here I don't have any repository, is empty. So let's go back to the my repository and view starter kit, and I'll go to settings and I'll choose one of the organization from the drop down, and I'll choose the 𝗗𝗘𝗧𝗧𝗧 here, and then this will check if this repository name exists or not, and accordingly it will show you a green tick which saying that view starter kit is available, the repository name is available. Now I have to type this to confirm, so I'll just copy this and then paste it here. I understand, transfer this repository. So unfortunately I don't have the authentication code, so I'll use my password here. I'll start typing and then I'll confirm. Moving the repository, this may take a few minutes. It will show this pop-up, and I'll go to my organization to see if I have that already. Yes, the one number shows that this contains one repository, and I have the repository view starter kit, and you can see the commit history is also maintained here. So I'll copy the clone URL from here into my clipboard, and I'll open my terminal and drag it here, and then I'll cd into YouTube and then git clone and then paste the URL, then hit enter. It will create a directory that is view starter kit, and it will clone all the files here, and then I'll cd into view starter kit. I will see if it has all the files or not. Yes, it has all the files. Now I want to open this in VS Code, so I'll just type code and dot. The current directory will be opened into the VS Code, and here we can see that it has that code cloned from the GitHub. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.